Is the real estate market dropping in Vancouver? I'm going to look and find out. We're going to look at residential homes in the city of Vancouver using remetrics. The first metric is average price. So we can see for the sold data here, it's at 1.3 and it's been hovering between 1.5 and 1.25 since the early summer. So honestly, not a lot of difference there. Under active listings, it is seeming to trend down between August and the current October month, but recently it's been going back up from the start of October until now. So we'll see how that progresses. Under total properties, here we can see it's at a 200 current number of active listings, and it is on the rise since the start of October, but the overall trend since July has been around the same. So we'll see. The sold market of number of properties has gone up a lot in the fall market. It was around 130 here in the summer, and interesting to see such a big jump. For sold over asking here, it's at 21%, but when we look at the actual chart, we'll see that in the end of June, it was at 41%. So down to 21% here, that's quite a move. That's cut in half. And we can also look at the actual difference price here, and we can see that the actual value and difference between active listing and sold is $39,000. So people are paying on average $39,000 less for their house than what the listing price is right now, which is quite different than 2020. For the square footage here, we can see that that's been dropping in a couple of tranches here. The current price being $857. Active listings, it's similarly dropping, not as much. Certainly the actual price point is higher per square footage at 1.17 currently. We can also take a look at the actual square footage, and that's on a rise. So that means the actual average square footage per unit on the market is getting higher. So it seems like bigger homes are for sale as well as being sold. You can take a look at other metrics in the experimental content section, like sales to new listing ratio and amount of inventory. Thanks for checking this out. This data updates daily, so feel free to come back and see how things are changing at remetrics.ca.